Indeed my honor and privilege to welcome Dr. N.P. Shukla, Chairman of Madhya Pradesh State Pollution Control Board, to the 10th edition of the Green Cement Tech 2014. Madhya Pradesh Pollution Control Board, under the guidance of Dr. Shukla, is playing a very important role in maintaining water, air and soil in healthy and useful condition for various purposes in the state. Some of the key initiatives of MP Pollution Control Board includes mission on pollution control and environment management, rainwater harvesting and environment award, etc. And MP Pollution Control Board has been very key supporter of CII and Cement Manufacturing Association's initiative in promoting waste utilization in cement industry. We are sure MP Pollution Control Board, under the leadership of Mr. Shukla, will scale greater heights and set new standards and benchmarks in addressing environment-related issues and concerns. And it's not out of place to inform that the Madhya Pradesh Pollution Board is the first state in the country who co-process the plastic waste in the country. I'm talking about close to 7 years back. So MP was the first state who co-processed the plastic waste in cement can. It is indeed my honor and to welcome Mr. Vishwanathan, Secretary General of Cement Manufacturing Association. He has been a great supporter of all our activities and initiatives in promoting world-class energy efficiency initiative in the cement sector. And all of you know that the Cement Manufacturing Association also made a major contribution in terms of developing the low-carbon roadmap for the Indian cement industry. I have immensely benefited by his rich and varied experience, and I have personally learned a lot from him, and every interaction with him was new and enriching. We look forward to you for your continued guidance. I think now the winds of change, you can see that definitely we anticipate a positive progress in the coming year. And taking the estimated cement production in 2013-14 to around 280 to 285 million tons from around 260 million tons in 2012-13 as per the CMA data. Cement industry may continue to witness a steady market for the better half of the year, and fresh capacity of 20 million tons is expected on stream in 2014, taking the industry capacity to 370 million tons. PAT scheming is, I think all of you know that this is the assessment year has started on 1st of April. PAT scheme is evoking excellent response and is well poised to offer a significant opportunity for the industry, especially for the Indian cement sector, and to explore the untapped power generation potential available in the waste heat recovery, and alternative fuels and raw materials are offering promising options. India has the capacity to become the world's third largest construction market by 2025, and to the level of $1 trillion market, $1 trillion, according to the study by the Global Construction Perspective and Oxford Economics. The trends are indeed positive and encouraging, and we must consolidate on these vibrant trends. This is a good both for the economy and ecology. Before I conclude, let me take a few minutes to brief you on the activities and initiatives of CII Godrej GBC. The center is one of the 10 centers of excellence of the environmental management and renewable energy. I am pleased to inform you that as on date, the CII Godrej GBC has conducted over 1,400 detailed energy audits covering different sectors of the industry. All of you know that the CII GBC center had a major contribution for the Indian cement sector on the energy audits and also in terms of energy efficiency improvement. The audits have actually reported an annual savings, recurring savings of close to more than 2,400 million rupees annually. I would like to take this opportunity to highlight the green rating system to the companies. Is a first of kind in the world. We know that the green ratings are there for the buildings, but for a unit to give the green co rating, which is actually a new approach, which is the first of its kind in the world. And it is aimed to bring the leadership and guidance into business, how implement the green strategies. As on today, 20 companies have already had the green co rated, and more than 75 companies are working on this rating. I am sure that these presentations and deliberations of this Green Cement Tech 2014 will be of immense help to all of you, and will serve as a platform for the information exchange, awareness creation, networking and business development. Dear friends, I once again welcome you to all this two-day event, and I am sure Green Cement Tech will greatly enrich all of us.